say chin up, keep your eyes to the sky, but it seems that's all I can do to keep my head above the rising tide. Whoever said all dark clouds have a silver lining, lie. This arm is weighing me down, trying to find a way not to drown. They say chin up, keep your eyes to the sky, but it seems that's all I can do to keep my head above the rising tide. Whoever said every dark cloud has a silver lining, lied. This arm is weighing me down, but yo, I know you feel me. And no one really has the answers, but I believe we're possessed with this expression that heals cancers. It's amazing what we can do, but even more so what we don't know we're capable of. The power of music is inescapable. Love, sound, sensation, and creation conquers all. Mama, my core, mama, my side, mama, my kosa, my kosa, my kosa. It's true, this music is the one great comforter, so don't stop. Feeling stuck with no movement. Yeah, working sucks just for due rent. Huff and puff but can't make a dent. Ain't much making sense. Spark the Dutch and we can vent. Spark the Dutch and we can vent. But in the time of Dutch masters, they whipped my ancestors to work much faster. Now we puff past them to relieve the mind from the daily grind. Hard to find time for yourself, that's how it was designed. To keep them in line like on a shelf with the barcode. We already got those. Money shifts to the rich, no one gets what they are owed. Smartphone mentality, harpoon reality. Fish stuck on a line with no mind of who the captives be. Modern man factory, try not to be a casualty of war and the poor. Keep them dumb and numb, that's actually how it be still. Concentrate us and sedate us in hopes that we'll be still. What happened to free will? Papa remembers segregation from the schools to the pool. Saw a black boy drown in a river cause of how we were ruled. And now Papa's afraid to swim. Somehow I can relate to him though. It's like I'm suffocating in a wave that's staying at my window.